Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add links to your Roblox profile. First of all, open your Roblox app and tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen to open the options menu. After that, tap on settings. Next, select account info. Once the page loads, scroll to the bottom. Here you will see social networks where you can add social media links. In this section, you can paste the links to your Facebook, YouTube channel, Twitter, Twitch, or any other links you want to share with your friends or followers on Roblox. Once you have entered the link, make sure to save the changes by tapping the Save button. Your link will now appear on your profile for others to click and check out. You can always come back to this page to edit or remove the links at any time. You also have options for social network visibility. You can manage who can see the links to your social network profiles. And that's it. Now you know how to add links to your Roblox profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.